The future of real estate is here, and it brings one of the most trusted names in hospitality. Westin Residences Gurugram by Marriott International in collaboration with Whiteland Corporation. India's first Western branded standalone residential development in Sector 103 right on Dwarka Expressway. This is Westin Residence Gurugram. And today I'll tell you what makes this home and investment so compelling. The project spans a sprawling approx 20-acre site where 80% is open, central green space, giving you that urban resort feel. Located just 15 minutes from Gurugram's central business district and 20 minutes from South and West Delhi, Westin Residences offers unmatched connectivity with quick access to IGI Airport, Yashobhoomi Convention Center, Dwarka Golf Course, and the upcoming diplomatic enclave. It's a preferred choice for HNIs and NRIs. Westin Residences combines luxury and scale with 13 towers, each rising up to S plus 43 floors. It offers 3 BHK plus utility homes ranging from 2,673 to 2,945 square feet and 4 BHK plus utility homes between 3,500 and 4,329 square feet. So whether you want something intimate or spacious, there's an option that fits your lifestyle. The investment starts from about 6.8 crore for a 3 BHK plus utility apartment with a convenient 35-30-35 payment plan. This isn't just a home, it's a wellness destination. You get access to over 150 world-class amenities, including a 210,000 square feet luxury clubhouse, fully equipped gym, a swimming pool, jogging and walking tracks, and dedicated spaces for kids, recreation, and fine dining, all within beautifully landscaped surroundings. The design follows the biophilic concept. Towers are on stilts, letting the greenery flow under and between buildings, blending indoors and outdoors gracefully. This project partners with renowned visionaries, Hafiz Contractor on architecture, BM&A for interiors, and Cooper's Hills on landscaping. Their collaborative approach means you're getting design and functionality that's built to impress. More than just luxury homes, this is a rare opportunity to invest in India's first branded residences by Marriott International. With the credibility of global hospitality giant, coupled with Gurugram's booming real estate market, your investment is not only safe, it's designed to grow. Elegant, spacious, and with hotel-grade services baked in. This is where luxury meets living. Interested? Book a private tour with Navigator Realtors and see it all for yourself.